Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change what the text says on CapCut PC once you've created a compound clip. So go to text here and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in like something random. And I'm going to select my favorite font. I know you guys are sick of this font, but I like it. Anyways, I'm going to add just a little bit of glow here. And alright, once I'm done with that, for instance, I added like an effect here and I created it as like a compound clip. I'll just right click and create compound clip first and like add in the video effect, like this one for instance. To change the text on it, okay, I need to select the video, and this will show on your tab. So here you can actually change the text now. For instance, you want it to be dizzy instead. It will change once you've created the compound clip. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!